Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about three stocks which has given a breakout on the chart. So we are going to discuss about chart, we'll do chart analysis, we'll talk about support and target. If you are first to our channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll get a notification on the upcoming videos. So let's start with the video. First stock is GEOJIT Financial. It's a small cap company with a market capital of 1950 crore. Latest closing is at 80.30. PE ratio is 15.84, which is really lesser than sector PE, which is 28.45. If you look at the daily chart, this is the daily chart of GeoJit Financial. What we have seen from the lowest price, that is 44, it has shown a really good uptrend rally and it has shown 102 levels over here, and after that the stock is in consolidation phase and it's oscillating between these resistance and support trend line. Okay, what do we see over here? This resistance trend line is continuously putting a selling pressure over here, so whenever it touches the resistance trend line it always comes down. But here, if you look at this price from 80, it has given a breakout, shown the level of 85, and after that it has given a downfall till 75. If you look at the chart structure indicates it's making some pattern, and that pattern is, this is a flag pattern over here. Okay, and this is the pole. So this is making a flag and pole pattern over here. Flag and pole pattern is a bullish indicator which indicates that from here onward the stock will continue its uptrend rally only on the breakout. So we have to wait for the breakout. If we look at this chart here, the resistance trend line has already broken out. It has given a highs of 85. After that, it has done the retest. So the support of 75 has been already retested, and from there the stock has bounced back. So the breakout has given, retest is also done. Now the uptrend rally should start from here if we look at the chart pattern. Okay. Here the support is of 75, and if you look at the immediate target, first will be 85 because that's the immediate resistance over here, and if it sustains 85, then the second target would be 90, because here at 90 you see there is a kind of a resistance over here, so which can put some selling pressure or profit booking over here. If you're a long-term investor or even a mid-term investor, you can see the immediate target of 85, the next one is 90, and after that if it's sustained over here, then the next target would be 97, because the third resistance is 97. So keeping a stop loss or support of 75, the targets are 85, 90 and 97 to 100 over here. If you are holding this stock for a long-term purpose, you should keep on holding this stock. The reason behind it, every month there are 25 to 30 lakh people are opening their demat account, and all the financial services are going to get benefited out of this. Geojit Financial is really at a low level compared to the other brokerage houses, so this is a really good one which can give you multifold return in upcoming years. Next stock is our HTMEDIA. This is a small cap company with a market capital of 718 crore. Latest closing is at 34.45. PE ratio is negative, minus 10.14. Sector PE is also negative, minus 19.67. If you look at the weekly chart of HTMedia, what do we see over here? After 57 high, it is continuously in a downtrend. It tried to break this level, but then it fell over here and it has shown almost 7.50 lows. Okay, and after that it has given a turnaround and came here till 32.50, but again it went in consolidation, and this time today it has given a closing of 34.45. Okay, this is a really good closing for this stock. Reason is this resistance trend line which I have drawn over here. This was putting a selling pressure over here. So every time when it tries to break this line, it was coming down, but this time we have broken this resistance, and the closure is also at the 34.45, which is a green candle over here above the resistance. So if you look at the chart pattern, it is making a rounding bottom over here. So this is a bigger rounding bottom. After that it has made a smaller rounding bottom over here. So this is a kind of cup and handle pattern. The speciality of the cup and handle pattern is a bullish it's a bullish indicator which shows after the breakout of this neckline. So the neckline is nothing but this resistance trend line. Okay, so after the breakout of this, it shows the uptrend rally will continue over here, and today itself it has broken this resistance. Now what can happen? First, our immediate target is 37. it may go till 37, and after that it may show some selling pressure or profit booking, so it may come down. But here the resistance of 32, it will act as a support over here, which was a resistance, now that will turn into support. So even if it goes till 37.50, it may come down and do a retest of support, and once it check the retest, it will start its uptrend rally, and the next target we can see is almost like 47.50. Reason 47.50? Because there is a resistance over here. So our first resistance is 37.50. Next resistance is 47.50 over here. Okay, the cup and handle targets are mostly bigger when you look at from mid to long term basis. The longer the height of the cup is actually the target over here. So if you look at this, the target we can see is like 47 till 50 from mid to long term basis, and here the support would be 25, 22 to 25 would be support. Then third stock is Affle. Affle is a small cap company with a market capital of 17,445 crore. Latest closing is at 1,290. PE ratio is 129.42, which is really higher compared to sector PE, which is negative minus 19.67. Okay. So this is a kind of a concern for Affle, but if you look at the weekly chart of this, weekly chart is continuously showing a uptrend over here. The stock is in uptrend movement. Even though there is a consolidation, these are healthy correction for the Affle. Okay, so whenever the stock comes down, it gives a bounce back from the support trend line, and here this was the resistance, that is 1,200. The resistance has broken, it has given higher levels of 1,500, and after that it came down, but the resistance is now acting as a support. So from 1,200 it has given a bounce back today, and closure is 1,291. If you look at this chart pattern, it is making a chart pattern. Okay, if you look at very closely, see, this is inverse head and shoulder pattern over here. Inverse head and shoulder pattern, it's a bullish indicator. Once it breaks the resistance, it shows the higher level, and then it gives the retest also. See, any chart pattern, when it gives a breakout, there are chances that it will retest the resistance that turns into support level. Okay, so same thing has happened over here. It's an inverse head and shoulder pattern. It formed this, it broken the resistance, gave a higher levels of 1,500, it came down, retested, checked the support which is at 1,200, and after that it bounced back and given a closure of 1,291. Okay, so when any stock gives a breakout, either you should buy this stock when it gives a breakout, or you should buy this when it retests, because after retest, you know that it once it bounce back, that you know the support is retested and it is intact. Okay, so now from here, what are the targets? The target first would be 1,500, because that's the resistance over here, and our support would be here 1,200, because this resistance has turned into support now. So our support would be 1,200. The immediate target would be 1,500. If you are keeping this stock in your portfolio for longer term, you can see 2,000 levels also from mid to long term basis. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. If you want me to review any stock, you can just put your comments down there, which one you want me to review, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you so much.